how to fix battery charging stuck at 80% or 95% on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down, and click on Battery. After click on Battery, click on Battery Protection. So if you want to fix battery charging stuck at 80% or 90%, so you will see 80% and 90% is here. If you want to fix this problem, click on Basic. After click on Basic and turn off a battery protection button. After turn off battery protection button, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix battery charging stuck at 80% or 95% on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.